Here's how to swap face using AI. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser. Once it is open, then here search for discord.com. After that, here click on Open Discord at the top right corner. Here you need to create a new server, so here click on the plus icon to add a new server. Now you need to click on Create My Own to create your server. If you want to make it for club or community, then click on this. And if you want to make it private, then click on For Me and My Friends. After that, here you need to customize your server. So here you need to set a name for your server. You can set it whatever you want and then click on Create option. So here, as you can see, our server has been created. Now we need to invite a face swap bot into it. For this, you need to copy the link from the description and open it in a new tab. And after that, select the server from here in which you want to invite the bot, and after that tap on Continue. Then here you need to click on Authorize. So here it will ask you for human verification. After completing the verification, the bot will be added to your face swap server. Now here click on Go to the face swap. Now as you can see, our swap face profile has been created. So to swap faces, you need to type /save ID. And after that you need to click here and then upload the image where you want to face swap. Then you need to give it a name next to ID name. Make sure to remember it for swapping the image. After doing this, click on Enter. Once you have created this ID name, then you need to create a swap ID. For this, you need to type /swap ID. Then from here you need to select swap ID, and after that click here to upload the image. Now from here you need to select the image on which you want to swap the face. And after that, here you need to type save ID name here that you have write earlier. Once you do that, then press enter. So here as you can see, our command is sending now. So here as you can see, our face has been swapped. If you also want to swap the face like this, then go to the link in the description and swap with multiple faces as you want. So this was how to swap face using AI.